Monster channel. We're gonna jump over 10 monster trucks.
Okay, let's see. Is that the ramp?
And then first is Gangster.
The youngster?
Yeah.
He's gonna jump over 0?
Yes. All the way to that grass.
Okay, let's see. That's a good jump. He landed on his wheels.
Yeah, he landed.
Alright. So what are you gonna do with him now? He's gonna go right there?
Yeah.
So,
Carbonator.
Carbonator's next.
Yes.
So how many is he gonna jump?
1. Go big, go home.
Nope, that landed on his top. So we gotta go get it and put it. Where are you gonna put that one?
Next by Gangster.
Okay.
Touch the grass and see it's dry.
Yeah.
Touch it.
Let's try.
Yeah, there's dry. We had to do willow because it's dry.
Okay. So who's the next one and how many is he gonna jump?
Monsterjam 30. 2.
Okay.
He's fast.
How many? You gotta count. How many is he gonna jump?
2. 1, 2.
Okay.
Go big, go home.
Good job. It jumped over 2
But it landed.
on his wheels.
Yeah.
So how many is next?
3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Who's gonna jump?
This
Okay,
one.
next the ramp. Was the ambulance?
Yeah. Then. How about the lunch? Go big, go home.
It kind of landed on its wheels.
It made a car wheel. But it made a car wheel,
Is
Daddy.
it car wheel?
Yeah, a car wheel. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 holy monster trucks.
4 is next. Who's gonna jump over 4?
Max D. Max D is the jumper. Go big, go high wheels.
Nope, it landed on its top.
Whoa, let's try again.
Let's go. Get it.
Let's go try again. Make a big jump and all the
No, let's just put it there. It's good. It made it. All that matters is it made it over him. So how many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5?
5 alarms.
5 alarms next.
Go big, go high wheels.
Look at this. Landed on its top.
Again?
Again. What's next? How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's 6.
Yeah. Grave digger's next.
Gravedigger's coming.
Yes. Grave digger's next. Go big, go high wheels.
That was a big jump too.
Is that not a car wheel? See, that's a car wheel.
That's a car wheel landed kind of on its side.
Yes, because that was a car wheel. And then it's on the wheels like car wheel.
Yeah.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Now the next one's gonna jump over 7.
Yes.
Who's the next one?
Next chapter.
Night shifter.
Yes.
What color is that?
Red
Red? What other? It's got more than just red.
and white and gray and blue
Okay.
and black.
Is it ready to jump over 7?
Yes.
come over here and see what it looks like if it jumps over 7 over here. It landed on its wheels.
Yeah, landed. And then it had like a flip.
Yeah?
Look. What happened? And then do this. And then do it again. And then go right after that.
Okay, that's good. Put it there. What's the next number?
I don't know. I'm going to touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So who's it?
Roger.
Roger Dodger's coming?
Yes.
He's gonna jump over 8 cars,
Yes.
monster trucks?
Yeah. No, how we monster trucks. So they go Hot Wheels.
Almost landed on its wheels.
But it stopped.
It stopped. So it made it over 8.
Yes.
So now what's the new number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So who's gonna jump over 9?
Hissy Fit.
What's the name?
Hissy Fit.
Hissy Fit.
Or
Let's see if we can look at it from over here. Okay, ready?
yeah. Wow.
It landed on its top.
I do this. Wow.
Yeah,
And that sound.
you're
That
silly.
look- yeah. Somebody's gonna land silly.
Okay, so what's that number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So that's our last number. So who's gonna jump over the last one?
5 alarm.
Another 5 alarm?
Yeah, another one.
Okay, last one. After this one, let's see if it makes it.
We have to say go big, go home, and be silly.
Let's see.
Go big, go home.
Whoa.
It's almost.
So it landed over 10. Let's see. We gotta count them again. Come count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, slow down. You gotta show everybody what they're looking at.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I couldn't see. So let's try again. What's that one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. All right, good job. So you ramped over all 10? Maybe we'll do more later. Look at all those. You can do more? Okay, so it's a good job.
Okay, let's do the monsterjam grudges turn.
We'll do that and we'll on the next one, okay? So say bye.